Hello, all Lokesh here by the way. For today's session, we will talk about computer algorithm, fully theory based, everyday algorithm. Let me type it for you. Okay, everyday algorithm. You have probably heard something about algorithms in real life. Simply put, it is a step-by-step sequence of actions you need to perform to achieve a useful result. It can be algorithm for cooking a sandwich described by a recite or algorithm for getting dressed according to today's weather or and your mood. Among all algorithms, there is one special group called computer algorithm. These are the ones that are usually created for and utilized by computers. In this topic, we will discuss in detail what computer algorithms are and will explain why it is important to learn them. Like algorithm or computer. So, that topic is algorithm for computer. Computer algorithms are everywhere around us. Your smartphone may guide you through a city from one point to another using a certain algorithm. Other algorithm can control the behavior of your enemy in a computer game. Services like Google or Yahoo apply sophisticated algorithms to provide you with the most relevant result when you use them to search for information on the web. Algorithms are also used to calculate the trajectory of rocket, and they can help doctors to determine diagnosis correctly. An important difference between real life and computer algorithms is that a computer cannot guess what we want to do. If something goes wrong or an algorithm is not clear, a human can adjust the algorithm based on their experience. Computer cannot do the same. Thus, a computer algorithm must be described precisely and unambiguously. Second topic we are going to talk about is programs and algorithms. Programs and algorithms. As you may know, a program is a sequence of instructions to perform some task on a computer. The difference between programs and algorithms is that programs are written using a specific programming language, while algorithms are usually described at a higher level than programming language statement. In other words, a algorithm is like an abstract schema and a program can be implementation. The said above also means that algorithms are language agnostic. One algorithm can be implemented using different programming language. For example, you may use Java, Python, Kotlin or other languages to implement the same algorithm. Programming languages usually contain implementation of basic algorithms for solving typical problems. These algorithms are provided in standard library, and software developers can reuse them instead of implementing each time a new one. However, to be able to use such algorithm correctly and efficiently, and to be able to understand how other developers use them, it is important to learn how basic algorithms and get familiar with how they work under the hood. Algorithms from standard libraries cannot cover all possible problems developer can encounter. Sometimes you need to implement a solution for a problem yourself from scratch. This is another reason why it is important to learn algorithms. You need to know which one, when to apply, how to implement it efficiently. We will summary this point. An algorithm is a sequence of actions you need to perform to achieve a useful result. An important group of algorithms is computer algorithms, one created for and utilized by computers. There are several reasons why it is important to learn computer algorithms. Software developers often encounter tasks of same type while working on a different project. For such typical tasks, programming languages provide ready-to-use algorithms in standard libraries. To utilize these algorithms efficiently, you need to understand how they work under the hood. Second point is, sometimes you may need to encounter a problem that is impossible to solve using algorithms from standard library. In such case, you need to implement an algorithm yourself. To be able to do that, you need to know basic algorithm approach, their pros and cons, and which one to apply in a particular case. Third point, often you need not only to write the code yourself, but also to read the code written by other developers. If you want to understand the algorithm they may likely use, you need to know basic algorithm and algorithmic approaches as well. Fourth point is, implementing algorithm might help you to improve your programming skills. We believe that there are other reasons why it is worth to learn algorithm. If you have some, don't hesitate to write them in comment. Thank you. That is the end.